Two 20-ton integrated tube ice machines project in Indonesia. CBFI provided high-standard edible ice plant solutions for the project. The ice-making area consists of two CBFI daily 20-ton integrated tube ice machines, ice storage hoppers and manual packaging equipment. The water treatment system is equipped with RO reverse osmosis water treatment device, source water tank, and purified water tank. Adopt an intelligent control system to monitor the production process in real time to ensure that the equipment operates in optimal conditions. CBFI integrated tube ice machine is famous for its high durability and low failure rate, and it can maintain excellent performance for a long time. The tube ice produced by CBFI is crystal clear, has high hardness, melts slowly and has small hollows, which can effectively extend the refrigeration time. Widely used in edible ice retail, food processing, cold drink production and fresh keeping transportation fields. From production to delivery, CBFI provides professional, efficient and reliable services throughout every aspect. Our equipment not only has superior performance, but also provides customers with round-the-clock protection through remote guidance and localized after-sales support. CBFI provides you with a one-stop refrigeration solution.